Good day, guys. I hope you're having a great day. It has been back to back uptrend for the past few days now, and a lot of people have been asking me what are we expecting from the market and all that. I actually did my homework. I did analysis and then on Bitcoin, and we know that Bitcoin is the major drive of some cryptocurrency, most especially the altcoin. Bitcoin goes up, they goes up along with it, and Bitcoin comes down, they comes down along with Bitcoin. And in the past couple of days, we've seen how Bitcoin have broken the new higher highs since the last bearish run we last had, and Ethereum has been doing wonderfully well. BNB, on the other hand, was not left out, but the one of the things that surprises us this week was ADA. ADA has been doing wonderfully great. It has been great back to back, and the XRP also has been doing wonderful. But here are top three coins I want us to look at for this week, and there are reasons behind it. If you follow the last post I posted on Friday, and you took your time to watch the video and invest on those particular coin, I guess by now you definitely have a huge green return, probably up to see 20 to 30% of your portfolio will be doubled. And without much further ado, guys, let me take a look at my watch list. I head on to my portfolio. Under my portfolio, you see some of the coins that I have actually, selected out to watch this week. I don't watch punch coin because I have a reason for it. I think when you are when you have so many coins to watch list, you become overwhelmed. You don't know which one to focus on the market. Whether you are the type that scalps the market, or you are the one who swing trade, or you do a day trading, whether you do future trading or money trading, I think these particular coins are best to scalp for the midterm, because we've seen the movement in the market is actually awesome. Now let us take a look at the first one, which is ADA USDT. ADA USDT. Let's see what ADA USDT have been doing in the past couple of days. And I would believe that this coin is definitely going to do well. And let's take a look at this daily candle. We see in the past 4 days, ADA has actually been doing great. It broke a new higher high since the bearish downtrend from the markets. And as at yesterday, ADA closed very well with a bullish candle, and this also gives us a signal that the next candle should be expected in the next couple of days should be bullish candle, because aside from that, we know that ADA is actually working on its smart contracts, and it's going to be released, and the news is going to be released in September. And I did some homework, and I realized that Japan is actually, doing a great job, because I think Japan is one of the major driving force of this particular ADA, though ADA is not owned by a Japan person, but because Japan is one of the big cryptocurrency top time trader, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. They do a lot of trade with it. And when I was checking on this morning, I saw some couple of transactions that Japan has done. It surprised me how people risk so much to trade. You can just take a look at this picture right here. People risk so much to trade cryptocurrency or investment. That is why it's called investment anyway. So guys, let's see what ADA have been doing. We see that ADA opened with the last 24 hours. ADA opened with it opened with 1.83, which is right here. It opened with 23, and then the price opened. Currently, the current price is 2.11 USD. So we can see how much ADA have done so far. And you understand it has been back to back. You can see the 52 weeks range where it's 2.46, and the weekly range is 2.15, while the daily range is daily range trade between 1.9 to 2.15, which is about in 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, we saw 10.60% increase on ADA, and the past 7 days we saw 46.60 percent increase in ADA. And in the previous last month, let's say monthly, we saw 73.85, and in the last 6 months, we saw 150.52 percent increase. So these are some of the things I think that make me to believe that ADA is going to do very, very well. You understand? And if you check out your charts, you are going to see the movements in the market is giving us a new higher highs as time goes on, as the day passes by. You understand? So the market is going to be kind of slow, but don't forget that this actually is a good sign that it's going to end well. So guys, I'm going to head on to the second one now, which is my neighbor Alice, aka Alice. This particular coin has also been doing well. I remember the last time I did analysis on it, but since I did analysis on it, it touches $15 and it came down. So I was expecting it to touch nothing less than 19, say $18 last week, but that it happened. You understand? But with that notwithstanding, Ada, Alice, pardon me, has started giving us a new higher high because it broke out from, if you look at the daily time frame, okay, let me just make this full so that you get the point clearly. You will notice that from the daily time frame, you'll be seeing it has been giving us a new higher high right from on the let's say, okay, you can even see it currently now is trading on 30.52. So I think, and this is obvious, you can easily see it. This is a higher high at a higher high of 13.2, then it went down to a new higher high of 30.3, and currently we can see it trading on 30.52. So what do you guys think, or we are expecting from from Alice, my neighbor? With that notwithstanding, you can see currently now that ADA is 30.31, and the market closes with a green candle, which is a bullish candle. It's more like a dodgy candle anyway, but it's also gives us more edge to see that we know what how dodgy candle work. And you understand, it gives us a signal that it has hit a support level and is ready for an uptrend. You understand? And looking at the 1 hourly time frame, we notice that after the downtrend, as about around $12.60, the market definitely has started hitting up, and it started giving us some a new higher highs on hourly time frame, and this actually gives us an assurance that the market is heading an uptrend, and probably I'm going to be seeing a $16 this week. This is what I'm expecting from this. If you hold a couple of this coin, I'll assure you that you hold it with with a diamond hand. But one thing you should know is that I'm not a financial advisor. Always remember to do your own work, do your own research, and as much just use my confluence to do your own trading. The last time I talked about the new higher highs and the coin market capital, the market capitalization of ADA. But let us take a look at the 52 weeks and the past performance of Alice. 52 weeks range, we see that Alice have increased with almost 25%, though the market fall down because of the bearish run. And so far, it has been doing extremely well. Put this on your radar, guys, so that you know what's up and get more hints about Alice this week. And the next on my list is ENG. I don't want to waste much time on this video, it's becoming long. ENG on the early time frame has started giving us a new higher high because it has hit a support level, which we can see it's right here. And Let me open this so that you see the new higher highs I'm trying to make reference to. Let me put it on an hourly time frame. Hourly time frame. So right here, you will notice we have we 1.64, and right now we are on 1. It's actually touched 1.68, so it has started giving us a new higher highs, and the market will definitely go up and come down, and that is more like it will give us an impulsive move. Then from impulsive move down, to now do a correction before the continuation. So these are some of the things you need to know about ENG this week. ENG market coins opened with uh, it opened with 1.64 in the last 1 hour, and it closes with 1.65. In the last couple of days, ENG has actually been doing well. So I assure you guys to put this on your radar so that you will not be left out. We saw that in the last 24 hours, ENG increased with 2.67%, and the last 7 days, ENG has increased with 10.80%. So you can just imagine the return you might have gotten if you invested into this particular coin. But remember to trade with caution, because the market sometimes might look promising, but it's these are just manipulation to hit and take us out of the market. So trade with caution, guys.